How to add Snapchat filters to existing photo. So if you want to add Snapchat filters to the existing photo on your camera roll or somewhere, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up my Snapchat and I have been logged into my account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to take Snapchat photos or videos over here. At this screen, you can see the various options in the upper section of the right hand side and also at the bottom. At the left lower corner, you can see there is a photos or gallery like option. If you tap over there, you can select the photo from your camera roll, snaps and many more. So from over here, simply select the photo in which you want to add the filter. After selecting the photo, you will be able to see the various settings in the right upper section of the photo. In order to add filters or re-edit to this Snapchat photo, you just have to tap over the pencil-like option at the left bottom corner. And finally, you'll be able to see this interface. So here you just have to swipe to left, and by doing that you can see the filter has been applied and you can change the filters and choose by yourself. You just have to swipe to left like this. So this is how you can add Snapchat filters to existing photo. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.